So you can see I just got my 23-0 dual 1100 swag in the mail. UPS just dropped it off. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Mattress. So, since it's a vacuum compressed mattress, I'll go ahead and open this guy up first and let this expand while I set up the rest. You can see this is since this is the 1100, it's kind of, I'm going to call it like a 1.5 person swag. I've been using, well, I've used both a 900 and a 1500, and 1500's huge. It's great for 2 people and a dog. The 900, I actually fit myself and Seamus in it pretty comfortably, but I think it was a little on the tight side. So I think this 1100 is going to be kind of just right. You could probably squeeze 2 people into this if you were very close. But I think for 1 person and a dog, it's going to be, and a big dog, it's going to be just perfect. It's still small enough to be easy to move around and roll up. Anyway, I'm going to get this mattress off to the side, and we'll set up the rest of it. It's cool, it even comes with a little repair sleeve in case one of the poles breaks. These poles are pretty standard, looks like maybe 8.5 millimeter. And they've got a nice curve to them already. So go ahead and throw them through here. Clips on. I will say, the other swags I've used had these plastic clips all the way around the top. I thought having this sleeve was going to make it a little more difficult to put together, but it's not too bad. It's actually pretty easy to get that through there. Definitely, it takes a little bit more force to kind of bend the pole into place, but it's not too bad. Now, take this pole, insert it here, and there. Two posts there, there. And that's really all that you need to do. I'll probably put a stake at the ends to kind of tension it, but usually when the mattress is in there, that'll hold it pretty firm. SDS zippers. Seem to work pretty well. A little sticky in the corners, but it's pretty much impossible to avoid. Ooh. Stakes are pretty decent. Should be plenty for this little swag. There you go. Alright, and obviously this does need some more time to fully inflate. It's not an air mattress just because it's the vacuum shrunk foam for shipping purposes. Takes a little while. This is it. That's really all there is to it. A couple windows at the end. Yeah, you could easily fit 2 small people in here. Seamus and I will fit, no problem.
Come on in, look.
Yeah.
Come here. Come on. You lay down for a second?
Good boy. Good boy, yeah.
Yeah, can you lay down?
Oh, okay. So it's got a big window at the end. It all unzips. Be nice to have some of the little ties to kind of roll it up, but not a big deal. Just because it kind of blocks access to the pockets. So I'll get to those in a second. But also, the screens unzip, so you can access. Because you could put your boots out there or something like that and have access to those, which is pretty nice. And then there's 2 pockets, which are, I don't know, I think they're not totally useful, especially if you have the window open. It kind of covers them. You can, I guess, fold it back on itself and zip it closed, but other than that, this is it. This is pretty good. Got tons of room. So you could easily fit 2 smaller people. Obviously I'm pretty skinny, but yeah, you could easily fit two smaller people, or me and my huge dog will have tons of room in here. Feels nice and open. It's actually really tall too. This is well, it's about the same. It's just about enough to sit up. So yeah, if you sit up, just if I sit up, I'm 5'11". If I sit up, it's just above this height, so you can kind of curl up when you're inside it, enough to like do some stretching or something. But again, it's a swag, so it's designed to sleep in. It's not designed to get dressed in or play cards in or anything like that. That's what your truck is for. Swags are, they're vehicle-based tents. They're heavy and they're comfy and easy. So they're kind of designed around the idea that you have another place to set up your camp and do all that campy stuff. Not like a backpacking, I guess not like a backpacking tent where you you would end up sitting in your tent and hanging out if the weather were to get bad. Because, you know, we have awnings and stuff for that. It's nice. But overall, I'd say this is it's really good swag. I'll have to spray it with water and see how it does. It's about, an hour, maybe not quite later. It's been windy and mostly sunny, and fabric is pretty much completely dried out. There's a couple little droplets of water still on the parts that haven't been getting much sun, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see if there's anything inside. Yep, no, I think this has done a good job. I don't really feel any moisture at all inside, so that's exactly what we want. I'd say it passed this test. Yep. So arguably, I don't know if it's arguably, but for me, one of the most important things about a good swag is that you can roll it up with all your bedding inside it. So I don't know what I'm going to use in this right now, but I've got an extra sleeping bag and a pillow off my bed, my actual bed, that I'm going to throw inside here and roll it up and see how well it fits in the bag and how bulky it is and all that stuff. So. Right, snakes mount. Good. Eventually, I might try and just leave these posts. Oh, this is annoying. All got stuck in that hook. Eventually I might try and just leave these in here. But for now, I'll pull them out. Right. Not bad. Bad. Yeah. It's the hardest part of the whole thing. Oh. Alright, well that's it. These zippers in the corners were a bit harder than I expected. Even after I got everything all squared up. Not bad though. One of my big 1500 swag zipper just comes all the way down the center so it folds flat. I think I like that a little better. I like the idea of how this folds open so you can just kind of roll the swag in, but yeah, the zippers in this corner are just, man. Yeah, they're just this section right through here is might take a little getting used to. I think it'll get better though. Other than that though, the bag feels really high quality. It's got a nice big pull handle on the end so you can slide it in and out of your truck or whatever. It's not too bad.